Welcome back to the channel. I recently purchased this Toyota Supra Paul version from Zoom On Resin. The opinions are my own, and I'm not just saying things because I got this for free for a review. It's a pretty nice kit. I like the pieces inside. They're going to be pretty easy to use. It's up to you whether $50 is a good deal for you. It's a little pricey in my mind. First, the wheels. Tires are nice and spongy, a little bit of flash. The aluminum steps fit into the tires really nice. Nice tread. The resin fits inside of the step pretty good, except for there's a little bit of play. Onto this bag. This kind of looks like Tamiya tape, but I'm not sure. These are made of aluminum, and I kind of wish that one would fit into the other. Gonna have to figure out a way to connect the two without making a mess with super glue. Here's some tiny TRD decals. I wish these were centered. On with more little decals. And now the metal transfer ones. These are really nice. I'll use a lot of these. A close-up Paul Walker. Mirror faces, gauge pods, little circles. And these Paul decals, I'm not sure if I'm going to use those. Supra looks like an outline. On with the photo etch stuff. Nice stuff here. Mostly wheel hubs, wipers, seat belts, and some license plates. And some tiny scripts. But I'll probably use the metal transfer ones instead. Really nice though. Keychains at the bottom right corner there. On with this bag. These are actually the headlights. So there's 3 of each, and it kind of threw me for a loop. So they give you an extra for each one. Onto the resin bits. First up, we have some turn signals. Nice. Seatbelt buckles. I believe that these are fog lights. This is the resin chin spoiler. Nicely cast. I like the brace in the middle to keep it from breaking. This is the strut tower brace. Goes in the engine bay. It's super duper thin. It's going to be kind of tough to clean up. I might break it. I have to be real careful with this one. More lenses. Tiny. Those are going to be fun to cut off there, but I think they're going to look good. Resin seat looks real good. Smooth resin, and thin too. I like this a lot. What I didn't like was that the other one was broken when it arrived, but I think it's simple super glue that'll fix that. The steering wheel looks really nice. A little bit of flash cleanup, not too bad. Nice and clean. This is a splitter between the front intake. Onto the instructions. These are all the parts that are included in the kit. And some more parts of what's in the kit. Moving on, we got the back end of the car. It's kind of nice that they show you where these pieces go, because I'd be lost. Shows where to put the emblems, the turn signals, the license plate, and of course the exhaust tip. Front end shows where to put the lights, all the lights, the front splitter, the chin spoiler, and the strut brace. And the lights again, which is pretty nice. I don't know if I really want to use these decals. They kind of look weird. It shows you how to install the exhaust and the front chin spoiler, the wheels, more of the turn signals. Shows you have to cut a little piece off there. Wheels, lights. This is the kit that you have to use to build it with. It's a Tamiya. Pull the body out here. Chin spoiler looks about right for the sizing. I think once I get that brace out of the way, it'll fit pretty good. A little short, but I think that it'll fit just right. Wheels fill up the wheel wells pretty good. I think I may lower it a little bit. Here's the kit tires versus the trans kit tires. They look to be about the same size, but it's an upsize rim, so the aspect ratio of the tire gets down a little bit. Same width. So I'd say they're about the same size. I'll be building this kit later on this year. If you like this review, please leave a like and subscribe.